How to disable Facebook notifications in Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen and then go to your settings. Scroll down to the preferences section, then click on notifications, and here you want to scroll all the way down till you find the section that says where you receive notifications. And as you can see, the second option says email, so click on it, and here at the top you will see the email frequency is set to suggested. Click on it, and from the pop-up menu list at the bottom you want to select the last option that says only about your account, meaning that Facebook will only send you email notifications and messages about your account security and privacy, which is very rare, and this is like the least frequency and option that you can choose. So click on it, and as you can see, all the other notifications has now been hidden, meaning that you won't be receiving any email notifications from Facebook about comments, like friend requests, pages and stuff like that. You will only receive very rarely few notifications every now and then. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off email notifications from Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.